Today on the Roadhouse, we're going to go over this Krylon Colormax paint and primer combo types thing. The color is Satin Pimento. The code is 5574 Satin Pimento. So let's get this thing started, see how it works. Roadhouse is sponsored by Speedy's Industrial Coatings in Ozark, Missouri. They do media blasting, powder coating, big or small, they do it all. Tell them the Roadhouse sent you. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and paint this right here with this Satin Pimento from Krylon Colormax. It's a paint and primer. It says no runs, no drips, no errors. If there can be an error done, I'll probably do it. So I've already been shaking the tar out of this thing, so wow, kind of like the color. See some runs, but I've been putting on really heavy. What I'm here to do today is I'm here to see how well this works in an outdoor environment. It says indoor outdoor right on it right there, and I want to see how it works outdoors. I really do. I want to see if it sits here for a week and doesn't fade or anything. I think then you know, that's a better start than if I check it in a week and it's all faded out. I will tell you, it is those runs that I had kind of leveling out. This is a old radiator support. It's kind of like a spacer. I've used it for a lot of other paints, trying out paints. We'll see how this thing works. It looks like it's red, but it's actually looks like a dark orange, which, if anybody knows, I am a fan of dark orange. As far as the coating goes, I put about 3 coats on here on this top piece. This is the part we're going to test. This I just kind of overspray, and I just kind of want to see how orange it really was. We'll see in about a week. Okay, I'm going to read a little bit off of it for you, so maybe you don't go to the store and look for it. It's it's for metal, wood, plastic, and more. It says it prevents rust. Now, I don't know if that any sort of paint that you paint on top of a bare metal surface is going to prevent rust. So I'm not any sort of rust protection like 415 or anything like that, which I do videos on those type of. Is not what that is. It says it dries in 10 minutes. Now, I will say that it probably did dry a little bit less than that. Of course, it's probably about 90 degrees out here right now, and it dried pretty quick. I've used Krylon stuff before, and I really like it. The Krylon Fusion stuff, like I said earlier in the video, this Krylon Fusion is awesome. So I wanted to try this Colormax, see what it is. If it's older or newer than the Krylon Fusion, I don't know. I'll let you know. But this color looks to be kind of a burnt red. This picture does not tell you what it is really, but man, it is like a burnt orange, bright. So I like the color of it. I'm guessing this Colormax stuff is really bright. I think the pigments must be brighter than say the Krylon Fusion paints, because this stuff I've seen in purple and all sorts of colors that look pretty dang good if you wanted to do your daughter's room or make something really bright like this bright orange here in this Satin Pimento. I love this stuff. I keep on saying that. Satin Pimento, Satin Pimento, Satin Pimento. Yeah. This is after 24 hours. Looks really bright. This does not look red at all, and I've got a little pigment to show you in the video where I'm going to show you where the color swash on the internet is not the same as what this is. So you really need to know what color you're actually getting. And right now, this is a orange, like a dark burned orange. It is not red whatsoever at all. So just so you know, this is not red or any of that type stuff. It's called Satin Pimento. So as I said before, it's 5574 Satin Pimento, and it is a dark rust orange, and the color swatch is way different, and I'll post that right now. Okay, I will tell you something else about this paint. Supposedly it does have some sort of a rust blocker in it. That's what it says, and it's supposed to not fade. So by being outside, for all this time, I am hoping that I can get it to either change or something for y'all. If it doesn't fade whatsoever, that's great. But if it does, I'll let you know. I'm also doing a purple color. As far as wood, this paint sucked it up. So you're probably going to have to put way more than 2-3 coats on this in order for it to last any amount of time. But that is, I think, 3 coats. Okay, as far as the color goes, the color ended up being pretty dang close to this cap. So that's impressive. The surface isn't as level as I thought it should be. I might have put too much on. The surface here isn't the same consistency as what this is right here, so I might have put too much on. It doesn't seem to have faded at all this week, but it does look pretty good as far as the color goes. All right, I paid $3.98 at Lowe's for this paint. Got some off from my military, but it's $3.98 at Lowe's. Thank you for watching, liking, and subscribing. Comment down below. Let me know. Have you tried this Krylon new paint? If you have, let me know how it worked out for you. Have you tried this Satin Pimento? This is a really cool color. I love the heck out of orange stuff. I got a General Lee in the garage, for Pete's sakes. I appreciate everybody for watching, liking, subscribing, and as always, if you ride her hard, don't put her away wet.